Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you're someone who loves that soft, crunchy, chewable ice you usually get at restaurants and popular drive-in chains, then the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop might be exactly what you've been looking for. This compact countertop machine is designed to produce up to 44 pounds of nugget ice every 24 hours, giving you a steady supply of pebble-style ice for cold drinks, smoothies, iced coffee, cocktails, and more. So, is this product really worth buying? Let's look at the numbers. One of the standout features is its impressive daily ice production capacity. Producing up to 44 pounds of ice per day means it's capable of handling everything from everyday family use to parties and gatherings without constantly running out. For many households, that's more ice than you'll ever need in a single day. What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? It means you can enjoy fresh nugget ice throughout the day without making trips to the store for bagged ice. The machine starts producing ice quickly, with many users reporting ice production beginning within minutes, making it convenient whenever you need a fresh batch. Another reason this model has become so popular is the type of ice it creates. Unlike traditional hard ice cubes, nugget ice is softer, chewable, and absorbs flavors better, making drinks more enjoyable. Whether you're sipping soda, iced tea, flavored water, or coffee, nugget ice adds a premium experience that many people prefer over regular cubes. The machine also includes an automatic self-cleaning function. With a simple cleaning cycle, maintaining fresh and clean ice becomes much easier. This feature helps reduce maintenance effort and keeps the machine operating efficiently over time. Size is another strong point. The countertop-friendly design fits comfortably in kitchens, offices, apartments, RVs, and entertainment spaces. Despite its compact footprint, it delivers commercial-style ice production performance that feels much larger than its actual size. The unit measures approximately 9.84 inches deep, 13.98 inches wide, and 14.96 inches high, making it easy to place on most countertops. Power efficiency is equally impressive. Operating at approximately 129 watts, it delivers substantial ice output without requiring excessive energy consumption. That balance between performance and efficiency makes it practical for daily use. Why is this such a popular choice? Beyond the chewable ice, users frequently praise its quiet operation, easy controls, and reliable performance. Recent consumer reviews highlight how quickly it produces ice and how convenient it is compared to constantly purchasing store-bought bags of ice. The included ice basket and scoop add extra convenience, allowing you to serve and store ice easily. Whether you're preparing drinks for guests, keeping beverages cold during a gathering, or simply enjoying your favorite iced coffee every morning, this machine delivers a steady stream of restaurant-style nugget ice right from your countertop. For anyone who appreciates premium chewable ice and wants a reliable countertop solution, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker combines strong production capacity, self-cleaning convenience, compact dimensions, and the satisfying texture of true nugget ice into one easy-to-use appliance. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.